Laplace transform of derivative. Theorem: if Laplace transform of derivative f prime of t exists when s is greater than a, and Laplace of f prime equals s Laplace of f minus f of 0 is your equation number 1. So, i-prove po natin. So, Laplace ng f double prime equals integral ng e raised to negative st f prime of t dt from 0 to infinity. So, from here, integrate po natin. So, by parts po ito, integral ng u dv equals uv minus integral ng v du. So, maglalet po ako ng u. So, e raised to negative st. And my dv is f prime of t dt. Now, the derivative of u is negative s e raised to negative st. And the integral of dv is v. Integral ng f prime of t dt is f of t. So that, yung Laplace po ng f prime ay uv, so e raised to negative st, v is f of t. Siyempre, huwag kalilimutan yung limits from 0 to infinity minus integral ng v du. v is f of t, du is negative s, e raised to negative st, dt. Next, manipulate ko lang po yung equation. So, ibababa ko po si e raised to negative st. So, I now have f of t over e raised to st from 0 to infinity. And then si s po dito, para po siyang constant, pwede ko po siyang ilabas. So, negative s times negative 1, magiging plus na. Plus s, integral ng e raised to negative st, f of t, dt from 0 to infinity. Now, substituting the limits, so f of infinity over e raised to infinity minus f of 0 over e raised to 0 plus s. Now, dun sa formula natin before, kung ano yung kalapit ng e raised to negative st, yun yung nilalaplace natin. So, papalitan ko siya ng Laplace ng f of t. And then, wala na po ito. 0 na. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng negative f of 0 plus s Laplace of, pwede kong sabihin na yung f of t, f na lang. Ano? So, rearranging Laplace ng f prime equals s Laplace of f minus f of 0, which is katulad po nito. So, I will call it equation number 1. Next, by applying equation 1 to the second order derivative f double prime of t, so ito yung kanina, equation 1. So kung gusto ko pong kunin yung f double prime, ide-derive ko lang po yan. So Laplace ng f double prime equals s Laplace ng f prime. Dinerive ko to, yung first term. Eh, yung s parang constant siya. Minus f prime of 0. So, kung ito yung equation 1, ito yung equation 2. Now, pwede ko pang kunin yung third order derivative, f triple prime of t. So, Laplace ng f triple prime. So, ganun din po. I'm sorry. Pwede ko pa pala siyang i-substitute. So, sa first term po natin, meron tayong Laplace ng f prime. So, pwede ko itong palitan ng s Laplace of f minus f of 0 since parehas po sila. So, may s po tayo and then ito pong part na to, palitan ko ng s Laplace of f minus f of 0. Ayan. Minus, may natitira po tayong f prime of 0. Ayan. And then, distribute ko lang po si s, edi magiging s squared Laplace of f minus s f of 0 minus f prime of 0. So, ito yung ating equation number 2. Now, pwede ko rin kunin yung third order derivative, Laplace of f triple prime. I-ano ko lang to, i-derive ko lang po ito. So, pag dinerive ko na yan, ang makukuha ko ay s cube Laplace of f minus s squared f of 0 minus s f prime of 0 minus f double prime of 0. This is your equation 3. And then, pwede ko rin kunin yung Laplace ng f na merong fourth order derivative and so on. So, therefore, for any order n, pwede ko na itong sundan. Laplace of f raised to n equals s raised to n Laplace of f minus s n raised to n minus 1 f of 0 minus s raised to n minus 2 f prime of 0 minus dot 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 minus f raised to n minus 1 of 0. Pwede nang ito ang gamitin natin. Example, find the Laplace transform of f of t equals t squared using the transform of derivative. Okay. So, yung pwede dito yung equation number 2. So, ano nga po ba yon? So, Laplace of f double prime equals s squared Laplace of f minus s f of 0 minus f prime of 0. Susundan mo lang po ang equation na yan. So, kailangan ko po ng f of 0, f prime of 0, tsaka f double prime. So, manggagaling yon dito po sa ating given. F of t equals t squared. Now, kailangan ko daw po ng f of 0. So, substitute ko lang yung 0 sa t. So, 0 squared equals 0. Next, f prime of t. So, meron akong 2t. So, ano yung f prime of 0 ko po? So, 2 times 0 is 0. And then, f double prime of t ko po ay 2. Now, susundan ko po itong equation na ito. So, ano po yung f double prime ko? 2. So, Laplace of 2 equals s squared. So, Laplace of f minus s. Ano yung f of 0 ko po? 0. Ano yung f prime of 0 ko? 0. So, wala na to, wala na to. So, ano yung Laplace ng 2 ko? So, ito ay 2 over s equals s squared Laplace of f. And then, multiplying the two sides by 1 over s squared, edi magiging, and then rearranging ang Laplace of f ko po ay 2 over s cube. So, ano yung f ko nga po? So, ang Laplace ng aking t squared ay 2 over s cube. Final answer. Problem, find the Laplace transform of f of t equals sine squared t using the transform of derivative. So, ang gagawin din po natin ngayon ay second ordered derivative. So, ang f natin ay sine squared t. So, kukunin ko din yung f of 0. 0 na siya. Bantayan mo si Priya. And then, f prime is 2 sine t. So, 2 minus 1. And then, du, ang derivative ng sine ko is cosine t. So, ang f prime ko ay 2 sine t cosine t. And then, kung mapapansin nyo po, itong 2 sine t cosine t, merong equivalent sa trigonometry na sa double angle formula na sine 2t. So, ang f prime of 0 ko ay 0 din. Next, f double prime is, ito po ay i-derive ko. So, 2 cosine 2t. And then the formula is Laplace of f double prime equals s squared Laplace of f minus s f of 0 minus f prime of 0. So, Laplace of, ano yung f double prime mo? 2 cosine 2t equals s squared Laplace of f minus s. Ang f of 0 natin ay 0 minus f prime of 0 is also 0. So, wala na po ito. So, meron na ako ngayong 2 Laplace of cosine 2t equals s squared Laplace of f. So, ang Laplace ng cosine 2t ko, again, ito yung nasa table. So, 2s over s squared plus 2 squared equals s squared. Ano yung Laplace of f ko? Ito yung given natin. So, Laplace ng sine squared t. Now, para mawala ito, sa side na right side, mag-multiply ako both sides ng 1 over s squared. So, simplifying, magkakaroon po ako ng 2s over s squared times s squared plus 4 equals Laplace of sine squared t. So, rearrange po natin and then i-cancel natin yung s dito. So, ang Laplace po ng sine squared t ay 2 over s times s squared plus 4. Ito na po yung final answer natin.